Hello and welcome, and thank you for joining today, and I hope you're doing well. My name is Phil Melton. I'm a Vice President, Global Industry Principal for MercuryGate International. I'm here today with the MercuryGate Minutes. You know, the purpose of these minutes is to provide you with small snippets of information to help you to continue to improve your transportation operations and efficiencies. Today's topic, the TMS Dilemma. You know, in today's age, shippers and logistics service providers need access to more data, more functionality, more return on investment, and well, pretty much more of everything. Shippers and logistics professionals across the globe are continually striving for more efficiency, lower cost, improved use of their transportation management systems, and more automation in all operations. Too often, organizations must choose between powerful functionality on the one hand and systems usability on the other hand when they look at their TMS, sacrificing one aspect of improvement for another, or the TMS dilemma. Traditional TMS solutions were designed to operate in standard multi-channel supply chains. Unfortunately, these solutions often lack the ability to accommodate a blending of channels or the omnichannel supply chains of today. Traditional TMS solutions may have been developed in-house and may lack the ability to transcend multiple ship suppliers and supply chain partners. The ability to track freight across multiple channels may not even exist. And the use of multimodal shipping is both impractical and inaccessible in traditional systems. So the bottom line, the use of traditional legacy TMS in today's modern omnichannel supply chain will contribute to adverse effects when it comes to development and maintenance. So you might ask, what is the future of TMS? Well, as transportation leaders face new challenges relating to the complexity of supply chain management and the growing customer expectations, a new type of transportation management is needed and necessary. A new level of powerful features plus functionality, providing uninterrupted transportation automation and optimization. This is where MercuryGate steps in to deliver a unique combination of power and usability and its solution to open the door to an innovative concept called Total Transport Leverage. Total Transport Leverage connects users with the ability to save time, better manage people, gain meaningful insights through data, use data to make informed decisions and capture new resource streams. In addition, Total Transport Leverage improves efficiencies throughout all operations and continuously improve and launch new functions and features to improve management. To put it simply, Total Transport Leverage is about taking the things and the processes that occur in the scope of a supply chain management and unifying them through an overarching platform that proactively empowers users to best leverage resources and reap results. From a capabilities perspective, MercuryGate offers the power of omnimodal coverage, global reach, end-to-end omnimodal optimization, advanced business intelligence, built-in carrier management, and prioritized exception management. From a usability perspective, MercuryGate enables rapid onboarding, personalized access, easy integrations, guided workflows, and high adaptability. For more information on what Total Transport Leverage can do for you and your organization, please visit us at MercuryGate.com, where you will have access to our recent videos and blogs. And thank you for your time.